kids, it's your good friend do. I just want to say, my neighbors hate me because I play drums all day. But I have a cheap solution for you if you need to play drums, but your neighbors complain about it. So basically what I did is, I cut out some carpet circles, kind of like what Ringo Starr did with tea towels, to muffle the sound. It's pretty easy. I just grabbed a piece of carpet, cut it, and then taped it to the head. So it's not the greatest, but you can still practice and not get complaints. So check it out. And then I stacked two cymbals on top of each other so you can just at least get the practice in. That's what we're going for here. Not to be a rock star, just to get the practice in. So I just closed the hi-hat, so muffles that. I tied a towel, dish towel, let's see here. I tied a dish towel around the beater, and I took off the front and shoved a bunch of covers and pillows in it, just so it muffles the sound. And then I have soundproof in here, just a simple blanket, just hang them up around the room. And I know it's not the greatest, but you can go wild when you're out of the house, but like I said, apartment neighbors, they don't like the drums. But I gotta practice. So it's just a quick tip, guys. Hope everybody has a great day, and stay in school on mic.